If you are trying to get pregnant, there is a lot of things you can do to help increase your chances of success. Like, how do you have sex? When do you have sex? What do you do afterwards? What drugs are you taking? And when should you see a doctor? So today I am going to be giving you tips on how you can get pregnant quickly. So let's get started. Getting pregnant is like a marathon. The egg has to be released. The fallopian tube then picks up the egg and gets it into a perfect spot where plenty of sperm is available. And if it manages to fertilize the egg becomes an embryo, and then congratulations, you're pregnant. So in all of this, timing is very important. Knowing your fertile window and ovulation are the two key ways you can get pregnant in a timely manner. The day your menstruation starts is the day one of your cycle. From this day till the day another menstruation starts is your full cycle. So if you count from the first day of your cycle to the day before the next menstruation, that is the total number of days of your cycle. So if you have a 28-day cycle, you are probably going to be ovulating on the day 14 to day 16 of your cycle. Ovulation normally occurs at the middle of your cycle. So if it is a 30-day cycle, you'll be ovulating on the day 15 to day 17 of your cycle. It is important to note that sperm can stay up in the body for about 6 days. So if you are trying to get pregnant, 6 days to the middle of your cycle and 2 days after the middle of your cycle is the best time to have sex. If everyday sex is your thing, then you can go for it. Or if you prefer alternate days, that's also fine. How many times you have sex a day really does not matter. Just like pregnancy test strips, there are also ovulation strips that detect early surge in the brain. You buy the strip and you pee on it. Ovulation is supposed to take place 24 hours after that strip turns positive. But sometimes it can take up to 2 days after the strip turns positive before ovulation occurs. And some strips can also give you a false positive. So do not rely fully on ovulation strips. This is basically measuring your body temperature first thing in the morning before you get out of bed. Like some of us already have kids, you have thermometer, or if not, you should get a thermometer. It is very affordable. So first thing in the morning, once you wake up at the middle of your cycle, you should check your temperature. And normally during ovulation, there is usually a rise in body temperature. So you can also use this to track your ovulation to know when you are ovulating. During ovulation, cervical secretions is usually slippery and wet. It is a good sign for you to start having sex. For some women that normally experience dryness and painful sex, so you try to do a lot of foreplay before sex. This will help you to get wet, and also it will help accelerate the sperm, the wetness. Those sperm are pretty good at getting up there, but when you are still very wet, it can also help accelerate the sperm to get to the egg. There are also fertility-friendly lubricants you can use. It contains hydroxyethyl cellulose, but do not use the water-based lubricants. Okay, so now let's talk about some things that some people believe helps you get pregnant, but really does not. They are called myths. Number one is some people tell you that for you to get pregnant after sex, you have to lay down, you shouldn't stand up, you shouldn't pee. No, my friend, come on, get up, go ease yourself. Do whatever it is that you want to do. Lying down has not been proven to help you get pregnant faster. Sperms are pretty good at swimming their way up there. So whether you lay down, whether you ease yourself, what will be will be. It is not going to help the matter. Position. You don't have to go out there and discover a new position that gets you pregnant fast. No, any position that gets sperm into the vagina is a great position. So don't let somebody tell you that you have to do this position, you have to do that. No. So do a position that you know you are comfortable with. And as far as sperm is going to get into your vagina in that position, then it is fine. Like I said earlier, sperm, they are really good at swimming their way up there. Female orgasm, yeah, it's really good, it's nice. Yes, some say it helps you get pregnant faster. If you think about it in some way, it shall make sense, because the release of those mucus, they are going to help the sperm swim faster, but it has not been scientifically proven to help you get pregnant fast. So whether you experience an orgasm during the sex or not does not determine whether you will get pregnant fast or not. Okay guys, so I am going to be ending this video here, but in my next video I am going to be telling you some drugs that you need to take, some preconception tips that you need to know, and when exactly you should see a doctor. So if you want to get notified when I post this video, make sure you subscribe and also click the notification bell. And if you know that this video was helpful to you, please do not forget to subscribe. I wish you success in your trying to conceive journey, and just know that you will share your testimony very soon. I love you. Take care of yourself, and bye.